Jai Bharti, Namaskar. Today in the series of influence of Sanskrit in Europe and on the European languages, we will take two words. One is Abhilesh and second is Amber. So let's take Abhilesh first. Obelish is a Sanskrit word which means to write upon, and Abhilekh is basically a Hindi. It's, you can say, it has derived itself from Sanskrit, and it's called Abhilekh because in Sanskrit, if it is Sha, generally a lot of words become Ha over in Hindi. So Abhilesh became Abhilekh, which means an inscription. You can say anything engraved on something, maybe a stone. So Ashoka pillar is an Abhilekh. It is a writing which is carved on stone or metal. So we have lot of, in India, we have lot of this Abhilekhs, particularly in the temples. Ashoka pillar is one of them, copper plates. And Abhilekh is very clearly, it means that it's permanently by engraving. So emphasis is on the writing of the whatever the messages, whether on stone or metal. Now let's take the European concept of the word Abhilesh. If you see the European concept, the word Abhilesh is spoken there as obelisk. And obelisk, in English it's obelisk, German again obelisk, Czech also, French also obelisk, Spanish obelisco, Italian it is obelisco, and Russian also obelisk. They all are derived from Greek word obeliskos, which again means a pointed stone pillar. And they also mean that when you write something, they call it that, okay, because of that, there is an inscription. So, if you see, they are actually very similar because obelisks are stone monuments in Europe, and similarly, Abhilesh or Abhilekh are inscriptions on stone or metal in India. So now the question comes, how this similarity is coming. Almost similar words, and meaning is also similar. So, and I say the culture wise also same, writing on stones. So hope the scientists who study these things will take these facts into account and then try to make some how this so many, not one, two, thousands of words from India and from all the languages, they have gone to Europe. And that shows that there has been a migration, not the fake Aryan invasion or the Aryan migration from the north to the south, but from India to Europe. So let's take another word, Amber. So, Amber means sky in India. Sanskrit, it means sky or atmosphere or an enclosure. So in India, in Hindi, we call it amber, means the sky, the blue sky. Now let's take the European, in the European context. Amber means, it means actually a golden or a golden colored, warm golden color and glowing. And it again means that you can say that it's a golden sunlight. When you take the Indian reference, India is in the Arctic, this tropical area. So here the sky is always blue. But when you see, Europe is in near Arctic, means this 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 Tropic of Cancer and above to the poles, and there the sky is always golden, and both, see, so you can say amber in India means blue sky, and amber because of in Europe or the near that Arctic region, it is called the golden sky. But both, it means the sky in their own context. So it's amazing how the same word almost meaning the same thing, though because of the geographical differences, it appears that they are different, but actually they are not. So you can only request the scientists to study how could these words travel, not 1, 200, but thousands. Hope someone listens somewhere. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Bharati.